again. Happy holidays. The new year about to come up, 2020. Guys, you got to get your game plan up. Now, this video, guys, I'm going to show you a technique I use. I'm going to show you two traffic sources I use to test Clickbank products. I start very less expensive because money don't grow on trees, right? So I'm gonna show you guys in this video how you can make money with Clickbank for free because it's a free platform. All right, guys, first thing you want to do is click on Clickbank, get your account set up. I'm not gonna try to make this video too long. I'll show you how to do that, but then click on e-business marketing, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing too, guys. So you gotta stay tuned for that. Okay, what I usually do is I go to Gravity, and Gravity basically is how many products they sold that week. And right now I'm doing get paid for your opinions, real survey jobs, updated for 2019. Your Gravity is 97.57, so that means they sold over 97 products in a week. And I can promote this by clicking on promote, and they give you a link. But this is how I'm doing it, guys. First thing I do is I go to my marketing system. And I'm driving traffic right now. I just bought some traffic maybe like an hour ago today, 12/26/2019. So I'm driving traffic to that offer right now. And that you can see the capture page that I built right here got 22 hits because I'm tracking it with my tiny URL and tracking things that you can look at more detail if you want, the stats and the logs like that. And then I'm also tracking, this is a link they give you right here, guys. So I got a tiny URL for that also. Okay, and let's go to the next one. And this is the capture page that I built for this right here. And with the conversion pros, let's go to my autoresponders. You can build many autoresponders that you want. And this is like something new, autoresponder I just built for this. And you can see I have 14 contacts so far from my leads that I bought today. And I'll show you that in a minute. So you see it's 14. Go back to the tiny URL. Okay, go back to my tiny URL. Yeah, so far 22 people hit my capture page. And then how I know, because this is the first place I bought the leads from right here, guys, is MLMleads.com. And you can see I just purchased 40, so I just want to test it out. And I got 27 hits so far. See, this is how I test my my sales funnel right here and see what it do. And then the second place, I will advertise once it's a proven test is nationwide newspaper advertising. And I'll go to the college newspapers right here, and then I'll see what calls and what's the how many people will get the newspaper in the college campus, because most college kids need to make money, right? For example, we paid out 8,000 is the amount members have been paid just for sharing their opinions with our panel of top companies. And now it's your turn to claim your piece of the action starting today. Enter your name, email. When they do all that, they'll go to my autoresponder, and then they'll come to this page, guys. And this is what I'm selling. But you want to collect the name and email so you can keep on slamming traffic, not traffic, but emails to them like once a week. Let them know you can get paid like this. You know what I'm saying? Choose a job, submit your work, get paid. 1, 2, 3. That's easy. And a lot of college kids probably need that, guys. And also, I'm also slamming traffic with MLMleads.com, and I'm testing it out. So let's go back to Clickbank, and let's go to reports. I think it's reports. I ain't look at it yet, guys. Let's look at it right now. Okay, hip count was 208. 'Cause I also drive traffic other places too. Uh, hops per impression 29. All order forms impression 7. That's good right there, guys. Initial order form impression, that's 5. 14. Initial sale count 1. Gross sale count. So I got one sale right here, guys. So that's cool right there. I made my money back what I paid for this right here already. It cost me $40, and each initial sale. Let me go back and see. So and my advertiser is still running also, and also I got on my autoresponder, so they will get a broadcast like once a week from me. So let's see. Go to e-business marketing. I forgot what each sale was. All right. Go to Gravity so I can find it fast. Yes, $64 right here, guys. Right here, $64. Because someone opt in right here, and then they went to this page, and then they join. They did all this. They got to this page, join now. They got to this page right here, and they checked out. And the way I know is from me, because this is my field link right here, guys. Adrian 5321. But guys, so make sure you get the conversion pros so you can make cool capture pages like this one. You can make even cooler ones, if you know, and then so you can make sure it go that you get the autoresponder right there, so you can email because most people don't buy at the first time they see it. So I got 14 contacts so far. Um, so I can email a person like by clicking on viewing right there, and you can create unlimited autoresponders, guys. So if I want to email broadcast to 14 people, all I do is that. And then create a new broadcast right here. Just write what you want to say in your subject right here. And then click save. Boom. It's broadcast, guys. Make sure you get your free account with Clickbank. I always go with the Gravity #1 because it's like, this Gravity is 97 right here. So anything over 50 and above, people buying this service right here, guys. And then second thing you want to do is I'll leave everything below, guys. MLM leads, so you can get set up with them. It's very easy, guys. Set up your free account with MLM leads, and also get your free account for 14 days with the Conversion Pros because we have everything you need, guys. Um, just we got so much, so you can do so much with this tools right here, guys. So definitely set this up, and it's 14 days for free. And after 14 days, it costs $50, but they pay 50% commission. So if you know other people that need a marketing system that have unlimited capture pages, unlimited email broadcasts, and unlimited emails that you can subscribers that you can have on your subscriber list, because if you go to Aweber, get response, it's a limited. You know what I mean? They pay you based on that. So this unlimited, guys, and you don't gotta pay for different services because you want a text message right here, guys. We got that. We got webinar builder, invoice builder, link rotator, tiny euro creator, mobile app. So why pay for everything separate? All responder, broadcaster, member manager, contact manager, page builder. So we have everything you need. Plus we have training, guys. Also a lot of training in the back office. But this video already too long, so I'm gonna end it right there, guys. But I'll leave the Conversion Pros link below to sign, get your free account. And I also leave my email also. So if you have any questions or something like that, just email me and I'll get back with you. I have created a lot of good pages, guys. If you need help creating a page for a business that you have, I'll help you out. Just email me and say, I just joined with you. Can you help me create a page for traveling? Can you help me create a page for anything, guys? And then I'll give you the share code and you can just edit it the way you want it, guys. All right, guys. Once again, it's your friend Adrian. Happy holiday. Make 2020 a great year. All right, guys. Peace.